Hello students, today we are going to start next topic of chapter 8, that is frequency distribution series, calculation of median in frequency distribution series. All of you know how to recognize frequency distribution series. Frequency distribution series we can recognize by the way, first of all, it is given range that is known as a values 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that is known as a range. By that way we can find out frequency distribution series. Now to calculate median in frequency distribution series, we have to follow the following step. First of all, arrange value into ascending order or descending order. It means you have to arrange your value into ascending order or descending order as per your wish. Second step, what you have to do, convert F into CF, which I will let you know ki how to convert F into CF. F means frequency. Third, we have to find out median class group, which is denoted by M. How to find out? Equal to n divided by 2. Here we are using the formula n divided by 2, not n plus 1 upon 2. Make it sure we are going to apply the formula n divided by 2. And it means number of item, or here we know m equal to summation of frequency. It means sigma f. Clear? Now the fourth step, what we have to do, we have to calculate median. For calculating median, you have to apply the formula L1 plus I upon f m minus c. L1 equal to lower limit of median group. I equal to class interval of median group. F, frequency of median class group. And we have calculated same, we are going to take it as it is. C equal to cumulative frequency of preceding median class group. Now we are going to solve the question so that you are going to understand how we are going to calculate median in frequency distribution series. Before starting the question, you just noted down these steps and formula. I hope all of you have noted down. I am rubbing it one by one so that you will be able to note it down easily. Now we will do one example so that you will be able to understand the question very easily and you will be able to find out on your own. Now, calculate median in frequency distribution series. How to calculate? First of all, marks are given, suppose, in your question. And frequency. Marks, all of you know, that is value, and frequency, all of you know, we are denoting by F. Now suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Clear? Now number of students of frequency, that is 22, 38, 46, next that is 35 and 20. Clear? This is the question we are going to solve. Median in frequency distribution series. First step, arrange values into ascending or descending order. You can see it's already arranged in ascending order. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So we are not supposed to arrange this into ascending or descending order. It is already arranged in ascending order. Clear? Now, second step, you have to convert F into CF. Now we are going to calculate CF. 22, take it as it is. 22 plus 38. How much we are going to get? 60. Now 60 plus 46. 106. 106 plus 35. 121. No, sorry. 141. Plus 620. What we are going to get? 161. Clear? How we are going to calculate? 22 plus 38. You just see, we are going to find out 60. Now next, we are going to do 60 plus 46, 106. 106 plus 35, 141. 141 plus 20 equal to 161. Now, what is the next step? Next step is we have to find out median class group, which is denoted by M. For that, we are using small m and divided by 2. Now, this, what is the meaning of m? Equal to summation of frequency. You just add it, you are going to find out 161. Now, m equal to 161 divided by 2. Divided 80.5. Clear? Now, that is the item. This is not a median. Clear? This is the item, not a median class group, not a median. Now, you have to find out 80.5 in CF so that we are able to find out median class group. 80.5 in CF, we have to see in which median class group it is covered. 80.5. In 22 it is not coming. In 66 it is not coming. In 106, yes, it has been covered 80.5. You have to find out 80.5 it is covered in 106. So, our median class group will be that. Clear? This is known as a median class group. Median class group, that is 20 to 30. Clear? Now, we have to apply formula m equal to L1 plus I upon F m minus C. Clear? L1 lower limit 20 to 30. Which one will be the lower limit? 20. I, the difference between both of them. L1 equal to lower limit. Which is the lower limit? 20. I equal to difference between both of them, class difference, 10. Now 10, frequency. What will be the frequency? Frequency of the median class group. Frequency of the median class group. It means what we are going to take? 46. Now CF it means the median class group. Whatever we have a median class group, the preceding digit of CF. Preceding value of CF, that is known as a CF. Clear? Median class group CF, preceding value of the CF, that is known as a CF 60. Preceding value of median class group, that is known as CF. Clear? F equal to 46. M we have already calculated 80.5 minus C 60. Clear? Now we have to find out that 20 plus 10 divided by 46. 80.5 minus 20 equal to 20.5. Clear? 20 plus 10 into 20.5. Multiply it. 205. 205 divided by 46. 2 205 divided by 46. Now divide 205 by 46. 20 plus how much you are going to get it? 205 divided by 46. How much you are going to get? That is 4.46. How much answer you are going to get? 24.46. This is a median. Clear? Now I will upload the related questions of this topic. You just try to solve it. If you have got any kind of problem, just let me know so that I can solve it.